Disclaimer. As any AI model, the models used on LolMs are sometimes prone to errors and bias. This is not a replacement for lawyers but just a tool that may help you if you didn't understand some terms in a document or if you have a big document and need to look for a specific part of it. The quality of the answers will depend on the model you are using. Larger models tend to be better, but there is no guarantee that the answer is correct. Make sure you contact a legal professional for serious matters. Thanks for watching. See ya.